Hey guys, so I really needed something to keep my cords up off the floor and from under my feet in my office. So I found this Synwire clear cable clips cord holders self-adhesive cable. So let's see how this works. It came in, it's small, it came nicely wrapped. And it's small, it's really small, so it's able to go through your mailbox slot, because that's what they did. They stuck it in my mailbox slot when they delivered it. Let's open this up and see how this works. Ah, tears off easily. Didn't even have to use scissors. Nice. Did not have to use scissors. Okay. And this is what the box looked like. It's Synwire mini cable clips. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. And then we're going to see how to put it together. Let's see. I have a problem taking some of this tape off. So, oh, okay. They come, okay. All right. Okay. So, here's what it looks like. It has one that has one slot. This one has 2 slots. This one looks like it has 5. This one has 3, and this one has 4. I normally use about 2 to 3 cords. So I'm going to take this one out. Let me see. This one has 4 slots. No, this one has 3 slots. And then on the back is the 3M tape. So let's see how we're going to put this on here. Let's see. I could put it here because my cords, my phone holders normally sit about here. So I'm going to try this and see how this works. Take the 3M tape off. I've already cleaned my desk. Of course, you can see the opening slots there. And I'm going to stick it on the desk. And, okay. Let's see. See it sticking on the desk. You see that? And then let's put the cords in here. Nice. Nice. Oh, okay. It failed. Not so nice. It's not sticking very well. I'm going to press it and hold it for a minute and see if that'll help it. Because I cleaned the surface already. So hopefully holding it here for a few minutes will help to hold this on. Because if it doesn't, I'm going to be very, 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 very upset. But the cords fit in here nicely. Of course, you can see that. The cords fit in there very nicely. You see that? I'm going to take this phone that I got it connected. I like that because it actually pulls my cords up off the floor. You can see there, they were just hanging on the floor, and now they're not hanging on the floor anymore. So, I think what really needs to happen is when you put it on there, you just got to hold it for about 30 seconds in order for it to stick. So, in saying that, this little mini cable clip, it does the job to keep the cords up off the floor. Just make sure you clean your surface first, let it dry, and then you can take the 3M tape off the back, hold it there for about 30 seconds, and then it'll stick. So I do recommend this, and these are clear. Yep. Get out there and get them, guys. Toodles.